let's welcome in Rushil Thakkar, the director of Rushil Decor. Sir, recently you gave us a guidance of tripling your revenue over the next 5 years. If you could take us through this strategy of how are you planning to actually triple your revenue, what are the segments that would contribute the most? Any details if you could give on that front?
Yeah, so we have taken a good target by adding, or I would say doubling the company in the revenues in next 5 years. So the targets internally are really set. We'll be more focusing over wood panel industry, and we'll be having more towards expansion in the we would internally be discussing all the plans for the future, and we'll be publishing soon.
Okay, the MDF segment, now that has taken a hit given the fact that the government has actually pushed back the implementation of BIS norms. On ground, what is the impact that you're expecting to happen? Any hit on the margins or on the financials because of this?
Already the hit was being taken in the last quarter only, and the same margins have been getting maintained. And we see a further more upcoming demand in the value addition products, which generally imports are not pushing it. So our focus is more towards diverting our regular NDF business towards the more value addition business. And talking about the impact of BIS, yes, everyone has gotten hit because of this. But let's hope for the best by government supporting the local manufacturer and giving us the time.
Rushil, this is Vinny joining in the conversation also. You've also mentioned about, for FY25, healthy volume growth is one could expect in your laminates business. So, obviously, this is because of your greenfield project that is there in Gujarat. Could you talk to us about how much do you see that in terms of addition coming in on that front and for your revenue as well? And what is the production level you are anticipating there as well?
So by this, we'll be adding a jumbo size laminates into our product kitty, which currently we are not manufacturing. Our capacity will be increased by roughly 1.2 million sheets. And this will be a focused market in the terms of we'll be more focused in developed countries like USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, where this jumbo size market is really in a huge manner. Also, in terms of revenue, in next financial year, we will be adding roughly around 50 crore rupees. And prevailing to that financial year, we'll be adding around 150 crore rupees out of this just new greenfield project.
Okay, and what about the laminate segment, the blended margins over there as well? What is the expectation? Could we expect the 12 to 13% in FY25-26 around those levels?
Yes, we can. We will be achieving such kind of margins because currently the focus markets were towards the Far East and Middle East. But now, once we have a complete product kitty, we can enter into the market where the premiums are available. So yes, our margins will be improving in the positive directions for the laminate business.
If we will let you go, any guidance if you could give on the volume front and the margin front for the next financial year?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Any guidance if you could give us on the volume and on the margin front for the next financial year?
Volume will be definitely will be increasing more. In terms of value addition in MDF business, we'll be doing around 50 to 55% of the value addition products of our blended capacity. Talking about laminates, we'll be more focused towards development in the new countries which will be able to cater from the month of September. And talking about the PVC business, yes, our growth will be really on the higher side. And currently acquired plywood business, which will be giving us the revenue share of around 50 crores for the next year as well.
Okay, thank you so much, Rushil, for joining in with us this afternoon on ET Now. It's a pleasure having you on the show.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.